Thus now we are solving question number 5. What they are given in the question. Calculate the present value of the following cash flows assuming a discount. Given years and cash flows 10,000, 20,000, 10,000, 5,000. Okay. Given what they are given. I given 8%, N given 4 years. PV we should find out. Calculate present value they are saying. Something different. Years, cash flows, take years here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cash flows 10,000, 20,000. Given in the question, girls. 10,000. Only 4 years they have given, girls. 5,000. Yes. Now present value factor. We are using the present value factor. We are finding out PVF. Okay. Present value factor. How to see this? 8% for 1 year. 8% for 2 years. 8% for 3 years. 8% for 4 years. Here, see guys. 8% for 1 year. 8% per, okay. We are using present value table. Table C. We know for present value we are using present value table. 8% 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Percentage is this. So I am taking 0 point. After decimal I am taking here 5 digits. 0.92593. Okay. 0.85734. 0.79383. 0.73503. Next, okay, we took these values from table values, cash flows given. Now we are finding out what means present value of cash flows, PVCF. Okay, present value of cash flows. Just we are multiplying cash flows with present value factor. Okay, by multiplying this we are getting this, girls. Do it neatly, just I'm explaining. $10,000 into 0.92593. 9259. Same way, 20,000 into 0.85734. 17146. 0.79383 into 10,000. 7938. 5,000 into 0.73503. 3675. Total 9259 plus 17146 plus 7938 plus 3675. 38018. So here total present value of cash flows. Okay, like this you have to do if the series of payment given to calculate a present value, girls. Okay, please note down neatly, girls. Just write down briefly present value of present value factor, present value of cash flows, then write in a short form for your understanding purpose. Conclusion is the total present value of cash flows is rupees 38018. Okay, like this you have to do. Pause and write it down, girls. Sixth question also we are doing. Sixth solution given in the question, Mr. A has to receive 5,000 per year for 6 years. Okay, calculate the present value of annuity assuming that he can earn interest on his investment at 12% per annum. Okay, present value of annuity, if you see present value of annuity in compounding we are using ACF, right? Here we are using ADF, girls. Only that's the difference you will be having. So V not equal to RADFIN. Very easy problem, girls. Don't confuse when we are calculating VN. Okay, compounding we are using ACF. Okay, annuity compounding factor we are using. Once again I am repeating, girls. When we are calculating annuity for discount factor, means present value discount factor, we are using ADF. For annuity, girls, for annuity. Okay, for compounding we are using ACF. Just know the difference. When we are calculating annuity we are using ACF table, we are using ADF for present value. Okay, given in the question, future value means VN, girls, 5,000, N given 6 years, I given 12%. Okay, formula is this: 5,000 ADF I 12%, 6 years. Annuity discount factor table D we are using, girls. Table D. %12% for 6 years. Yes, look at here. 12% for 6 years. 4.1114. 4.1114. 5,000 into 4.1114. 20557. Okay, write down the conclusion. I hope it is clear. We are taking this formula to calculate annuity discount factor. Okay, we are using table D. Table D we are using, girls. Table D in our chart. And 12% को जा रहे हैं, 6 years का कितना है देख रहे हैं. We are getting 4.1114 and we are getting this answer. Okay, conclusion we are writing. Therefore, the present value of rupees 5,000 to be received every year for 6 years. 6 years tak rehna. Okay, write down with your own, girls. At last mention this final answer: 20,557 rupees. 12% को इतना आ रहा है, ओके, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू।